In Pakistan, at least 40 people have been killed in a bus attack. Gunmen opened fire on passengers in the southern city of Karachi. There are believed to have been up to 60 people on board, including women and children. The BBC Shahzab Jalani has been following the story and told me what's known about the attack so far.
Police are saying 43 people killed in this massacre on a bus in Pakistan's biggest city of Karachi. There were about 60 people on this bus. They were going to their workplaces when this bus was stopped by gunmen on motorbikes. They entered the bus and started shooting indiscriminately. Now, this bus was carrying Pakistan's Shia Ismaili minority. This is a community which is a follower of Agha Khan. They consider him their imam. It's a peaceful community, educated community, progressive community, and so far as I can tell, this is probably one of the biggest, if not the biggest, attacks against this community. Now, in the past, we know Hazara Shias have been targeted in Balochistan and other parts of Pakistan, but Ismaili Shias to be targeted in Pakistan's biggest city, it has come as a major shock. Across the board condemnation from the Prime Minister, from the Army Chief, and many people trying to make sense of why this happened and who did it.
That is the question, isn't it? Who is to blame for this and why?
So far, we don't know. There hasn't been a claim yet from any militant group. And in Karachi, we know there are several militant groups active. It comes at a time when there is a security operation underway in Karachi, mainly targeting militants from political parties. And it begs the question, why the so-called extremist militants, Islamist militants have not really been targeted. So far, the government seems to be at a loss to explain this. A lot of criticism directed at the provincial government, which has the responsibility of law and order, of security, but so far no plausible explanation why there weren't any policemen there, why this community wasn't offered any protection.
As you said, there have been groups on attacks on minority groups in Pakistan for a long time. Is this just not a priority of the security services at the moment? Obviously, there's allegations of corruption and all the rest of it. But is this something that people will think, OK, we're going to see these big attacks and nothing can be done about it?
Well, I have to say that in the last year or so, violence has gone down in Karachi. Karachi, being the biggest city and commercial city of Pakistan, has seen a lot of violence. And security services were seen to be making improvements. But this is a major dent. And it seems to have caught them by surprise, especially against the Ismaili Shia community, which is very active, thriving community in the city of Karachi and in the north of Pakistan. So, all kinds of questions are being asked. The army is involved in an operation in northern area, in northwest tribal areas, in Balochistan. But, it looks like they just can't seem to put an end to this.